Hello, now I'm gonna show you how my variant coding model will change the seatbelts warning stuff. So currently it's factory settings, and as soon as I will reach certain speed, like now, it immediately shows you have to fasten the seatbelts in the rear. It's really annoying. And now I'm gonna try to show you how it works. So I'm changing the ignition off, then I change it on again, then I just plug my model to the OBD diagnostics and observe the command screen. So let's try it. So I plug it and it works, showing the VIN number of the car, and I say the rear is off. So currently it's the first stage is a rear. There is totally three settings. So the first is the factory, is both warnings on, and the second setting, like now, it's a rear warning, rear birds warning off, but the first row seat belts warning will be on. And then I just plug it one more time, and it will completely disable seat belts warning, both rear and front. So seat belts off. Now I removed it, just put it here, and you see now I start engine, and you see there is no warning at all, in spite of seat belts is not fastened. You see here, it's not fastened. Well, so you can choose from the, you can switch off only the rear ones, I mean warning of the rear belts, or you can turn it off permanently. And anytime in 10 seconds, you can revert to the factory settings at whatever you want. So it's just this simple plug, and it works in 5 seconds. And you can just keep it here, I mean, like here, and anytime you can change it. Hope you like it, enjoy, and waiting for your orders. Thanks.